Tired of barbers giving you a fresh cut? Literally? Or maybe it's your own razor turning every shave into a horror movie. Meet the Motor Zero 3.0. Precision shaving without the drama. A razor like no other, blending cyberpunk aesthetics with high-tech performance. Its double-ring curved surface and magnetic cutter head adapt perfectly to your face, ensuring a smooth, irritation-free shave every time. Designed for those always on the move, the 2-in-1 razor and mirror combo lets you shave anytime, anywhere. With the precision of German-engineered steel blades that actually sharpen as you use them. And maintenance? A breeze. Magnetic assembly, 1-second blade replacement, and high RPM cleaning power mean you're always ready to go. Plus, with IPX7 waterproofing, you can rinse it worry-free. Whether for business or travel, the compact yet powerful 030 fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Charging fast with USB-C and coming in 2 sleek colorways. Upgrade to a razor that works as sharp as it looks. Support us on Kickstarter today. Want to stay ahead with the coolest gadgets? We share exciting innovations every single day. Don't forget to check the description below for exclusive details and join the conversation in the comments.